Hi everyone, so today's video is going to be very random. I'm going to do this tag, it's a get to know me kind of thing, but it's got 371 questions and I'm going to answer as many as I can before my child wakes up, so it's like a race against the clock. So let's see how many I can answer. I'm going to look here because the questions are here. First question is, what is your full name? My full name is Sophia Hickson. What does your name mean? Sophia means ambassador, and I don't know what Hickson means. I don't even know if it has a meaning. I think it's just a name. Are you named after anyone? No, I don't think so. Does your name make any interesting anagrams? I don't know. I don't know. I never really thought about that. If you had to change your first name, what would you change it to? I don't think I'd change it to anything because it's just my name now, like I am Sophia. I'm Saf. Everyone calls me Saf. Where are you from? I was born and raised in Coventry. When I was 15 or 16, I moved to Birmingham and I've been living in Birmingham for almost most of my life now. Where did you grow up? Coventry. The next question is, who did you look up to growing up? I didn't really look up to anybody. My mum, obviously everybody looks up to their mum. Nobody really. Like, I was a rebellious child. I didn't look up to anybody, I would just do my own thing. What are your best characteristics? I'm very loyal. I'm very friendly. Like, I'm really friendly with people I meet in like shops and stuff. I don't know, I'm really polite, and that shows in Elisa because she's like one of the most polite children I've ever met. Like, she's so sweet. She like brushes past somebody. Sorry, I'm sorry. She's really funny. Next question is, what are your favourite things about yourself? I don't know. I don't really have any favourite things about myself. Maybe like the fact that I like things done a certain way and I have to have, I don't know, maybe that's not a favourite. My favourite thing about myself is my children. Is that bad? I don't know. What do you say, darling? Hey? You want a flour biscuit? Say hi.
Hi.
Show them what you're eating. Flour biscuit. Is that tasty?
Yeah.
Good. Which of your parents are you closest to? I'm closest to my mum because I see her more. My dad lives in Coventry still, so I see him less. So, but like he always comes over every weekend, so I see him all the time. Probably my mum. Hey? Who's my friend?
Daddy.
Daddy's my friend. Yes, Daddy is my friend. Which of your parents are you more like? My mum, I think. Yeah, definitely. Are your grandparents still married? That's a very random question. No, they're not, because my granddad on my dad's side passed away and my grandma on my mum's side passed away, so no, they're not married. What relative was most important to you growing up and why? Probably my uncle, because he always used to call me his favourite. Not very close to him anymore. Like, things happen in life and people just separate, and I don't know, things are just not how they were back in the day. What is the one thing you've never revealed to your parents? What have I never revealed to my parents? I don't know about this one. I don't really know. Like, I kind of tell my mum everything. My dad, I kind of tell him things too, but he's just not that bothered. But I don't know, I don't really have anything that I've hidden. Next question is, what would your parents have named you if you were the opposite gender? I have no idea. Sophia. Sophia. I find that name so weird. What do you call your grandparents? When my grandma on my mum's side was still alive, I used to call her Nanima, and my mum's dad, I call him Nanabaji. On my dad's side, I used to call him Granddad, and I call my dad's mum Nanny. What is your best physical feature? I don't know. I don't have one. I've always liked my hands. I don't know, it's ugly. They look gross right now. I don't know. Don't know. I like the colour of my eyes and I like my hands. Well, I used to, I don't know, they've just gone a bit fat now. Like, I've just gone fat, so everything's gone fat. What is your biggest accomplishment? Having children. What is your biggest fear? My biggest fear is death, and probably a spider crawling on my face and I wake up in the night. What is your biggest regret? My biggest regret would be, I don't have any regrets, because if I had regrets then I wouldn't be where I am today. So I don't know, like today I'm happy with my life because I have the most beautiful children. Alhamdulillah, I've got everything that I could ask for really. What is your eye colour? My eye colour is like a light brown, but I think it changes in different lights. So yeah, they look a bit dark here. My eye, oh my god, look at my eye bags, they're disgusting. What inspires you? I think the weather inspires me, because when it's raining like this, I just feel like not doing anything and I just feel really depressed. What also inspires me is when my kids sleep and I like race to get things done, because I know that it's limited time, like right now. What has required the most courage of you in your life so far? Having 2 kids. Guys, it is not easy. It is scary. It is like the most stressful thing you could do. If you're gonna have kids, guys, you need to have courage, because it is hard work. It is really hard work. Who is your favourite actor? My favourite actor is probably Ryan Reynolds. I love him. Like, he's such a good actor. Like, I don't think he's very good looking, but he's just hilarious. And I also love Blake Lively, who is my favourite actress, and they're married, so it's like the best. Who is your favourite celebrity? Probably Ryan Reynolds and Blake Lively. I'm just like the biggest fan of theirs. But I don't really keep up that much with celebrity stuff, so yeah, I just follow them on Instagram and see what they're doing. Who's your favourite musician? My favourite music is very random. I love Vybz Kartel and Mavado, and I used to love Eminem, and I love 90s R&B. That's like my favourite. Like, I could sing Mariah Carey all day long. I don't know, like I have a really weird taste in music. It has to have a good beat and a good tune. Some of these things that are coming out these days, like Cardi B, what is she? Like, that is not music, mate. That is just a racket. I hate her. I hate most of the music out right now. Who is your favourite person in the world? I have favourite people, which is my babies. Guys, all the answers are my babies, okay? What is your favourite childhood memory? We used to have a lot of holidays. We used to go to Egypt and Morocco, Turkey, Tunisia, Malaysia. Guys, we had so many holidays. Alhamdulillah, I was so blessed as a child. But my favourite childhood memory, I don't even know. Like, I have loads. I used to love going to my nan's house every Sunday, and we used to take the dog for walks. We used to do lots of drawing, like competitions and things. I don't know if I have a favourite memory. I had a good childhood, I think. It was blessed, alhamdulillah. I don't know, I don't really have a favourite one, but I have like a good memory of my childhood, if that makes sense. What is your favourite colour? My favourite colour is probably grey or black or white. Is that really boring? If it had to be an actual colour, it would be pink. What is your favourite drink? Coffee, and if I had to choose like a mocktail, it would be a mojito, and I love Coke, which is very bad, and orange juice. What is your favourite holiday destination? My favourite holiday as a child was Malaysia, 100%. Like, it's so beautiful over there. Everyone's so nice. I was about 11, 12, 13, I can't remember. But I was really young when we went, so I'm going to take my kids one day and it's going to be amazing, inshallah. What is your favourite fairy tale? Do I have one? I don't really have a favourite fairy tale. Like, I love all the Disney movies now, all the recent ones. I kind of prefer, is it really bad to say that I kind of prefer recent Disney movies than the old ones? Does anyone else? What is your favourite food? I don't know. I'm so bad at this. My favourite food is mushrooms. I love mushrooms. My favourite dish is probably like lasagna, or I love a good jacket potato.
Mommy, I have the elephant.
You're having an elephant? Yummy. I don't know, I have loads of favourite foods.
Elephant biscuit. Look, the big jug is gone.
Really?
Yeah.
I really like Turkish food. Turkish food is probably my favourite food right now. What is your favourite ice cream flavour?
I want the ice cream.
What's your favourite ice cream flavour? Mummy's is chocolate. And it has to be Swiss chocolate. By the brand Mövenpick. I love Swiss chocolate ice cream. It's like my favourite thing in the world. And they do it in Shere Khan and Star City, and it's just, oh, I go there every time. I have to have that. Although Shere Khan has gone a bit crap right now. What is your favourite music genre? If I had to pick one, I don't even know what genre it is, like the Movado one or R&B. What is your favourite physical activity? I'm not going to lie guys, I do not like doing physical activities, as you can probably tell by my weight, but it would probably be walking. What is your favourite quote? My favourite quote that I say to myself every day is love your future self, because loving your future self is like the best thing that you can do, because it will inspire you to clean up, like do the dishes, because then your future self won't have to do that in the future. Because then you'll be like, look back and you'll be like, I love you girl. Isn't that funny?
Yeah.
You're funny. What is your favourite snack? I love to eat chocolate. And I also love carrots, like just carrot batons. What is your favourite song? Right now, I'm in love with The Greatest Showman. The Greatest Showman, the other side. What is your favourite sport? The only time I like football is when World Cup's on. And football, there's a football. And I don't really like any sports. I'm like the least sporty person you'll ever meet, ever. What is your favourite time of the day? My favourite time of the day is probably the evening, when I'm getting the kids to bed and she's being lovely, and we read a book, we brush our teeth, we have a bath. What else do we do in bedtime?
Sleep.
We sleep, yes. And we have lots of huggles. What is your favourite type of clothing? I love baggy jumpers and skinny jeans. What is your favourite way to pass time? I love watching TV shows, but I don't really get to do it anymore. What is the name of your favourite restaurant? If you would have asked me this a few years ago, I would have said Shere Khan, because their curries, you just can't go wrong with them. But now, honestly, Shere Khan is just disappointing. What is my favourite restaurant? Probably McDonald's. Guys, why is every single restaurant not a drive-through? Like, if there was, then it would be a different restaurant. But because it's a drive-through, it's just the easiest, quickest thing in the world. What is your all-time favourite town or city, and why? I am obsessed with Bristol. Like, I don't know what it is about Bristol. I love all the water. Like, I find being around water so calming. And I also love Ben's cookies. Ben's cookies is amazing. I don't know, I just love it there. It's just got such a nice atmosphere. Let me know in the comments if you're from Bristol. I love that city. It's just like driving through the streets of Bristol is just different. Like, Birmingham is so disgusting compared to Bristol. Sorry, I don't mean to offend any Brummies. What is your favourite candle scent? I really love the Unstoppables wax melts. I don't really burn candles anymore, but if I was to buy a Yankee candle, it would be the cinnamon one, because I really like that. Where's your favourite place to take an out of town guest? I don't know, probably to the park. What was your favourite subject in high school? I didn't like high school, secondary school in England. I hated it. I went to Al Hijra school, so if anyone knows that school, back in the day it was just, I don't know what it's like now, but it was just awful. I didn't have a favourite subject because they didn't do art. Like, art was my thing. I did art when I went to college, and I absolutely loved it. Like, I got distinctions on everything. I did BTEC. What was your least favourite subject in high school? Probably Urdu. Why did they make you do Urdu in school? Like, why? Also Arabic. Like, obviously it's good to learn Arabic and everything, but I am dyslexic. I'm really slow. I can't even read English properly, and you want me to learn a different language. Like, I used to get really annoyed at that. What was your favourite TV show when you were a child? We never really used to watch TV when we were kids. We didn't have a TV. So that is the end of this video, because Elisa is getting a bit needy now, so obviously that means I've got to go because she's more important than this. I'm not gonna lie. So that's all the questions. I'm not sure exactly how many I answered. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you have any more questions, let me know in the comments below, because I will do questions that you guys want to know if you want me to. So thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!